Hi guys. Um, I've been thinking about what my next video would be about. Let me just move this. Good? Okay. Yeah, what I would discuss in my next video. And I was going to talk about some hair stuff, but I just want to let you know a little bit of what was going on with me last week. I was not in a good place. Um, it was a culmination of things, but the core of it was this disease that I'm basically coping with right now. And for those of you who are going through what I'm going through, you'll understand that when every day you look in the mirror and you see someone that is not you, and you're not sure if you'll ever look like you again. It's just a constant reminder every single day, and I try to be as positive about it as possible. You know, knowing my history with thyroid eye disease, I got better before, I could get better again, but, you know, I was a kid then and it never really mattered to me, but now as an adult, and I see myself every single day, sometimes it gets a little depressing. So, that's what really prompted me to do my first YouTube video. I was searching on YouTube for other videos of other people going through what I'm going through, and although there was, you know, a good amount of folks, there wasn't as many as I thought that there should be, and I felt a personal obligation to contribute to our community. So, particular with this thyroid eye disease that I have, I'm not saying in any way that I have the worst thyroid eye disease ever. I have seen way worse cases, but for me personally, it is a problem. And I had mentioned in my last video that my ophthalmologist and I are in discussion of me getting the decompression eye surgery done in December. So it is now May, well, the end of May. I have a good 6 months, just about, until this slated surgery. So I feel like I should take a proactive approach in treating my eyes myself in a homeopathic way. So I did a lot of research last week, and I found a couple of things. First, there is a woman, her name is Svetla Bankova. She has a book called Thyroid Eye Disease and Its Healing. She had hyperactive thyroid, and she also had, suffered from thyroid eye disease for 10 years. And within that time, she did her own research on treating her thyroid eyes, which includes a series of eye exercises and reflexology and a few homeopathic remedies. So she has a YouTube page. I'll include that at the bottom. And one of her YouTube videos has a list of all the 12 eye exercises that you can do. She also suggests using a chamomile tea cold compress on your eyes morning and the evening. So I purchased this stuff. Oh, let's see, can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah. The Cozy Chamomile Herb Tea. I boil water, and I set 2 tea bags in for 3 minutes. Then I put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the refrigerator and refrigerate it for about a half an hour. And then I put 1 on each eye for 20 minutes. I did it today. Although I'm posting this video on Thursday, I'm recording this on Sunday. And I'm starting this whole regimen today. And my eyes did feel better. I'm not saying they looked better, but they definitely felt better, especially my left eye that bothers me the most. It wasn't as tight as it usually is, and sometimes my left eye bothers me so much that I get a headache. So the chamomile cold compress is nothing new, and it's not, centralized towards people with thyroid eye disease. It's, just like putting cucumbers over your eyes when your eyes are puffy. The chamomile just has like some soothing stuff. It felt good. So didn't go wrong with that. Also, in her book, she has a recipe for this pineapple smoothie where you include flaxseed oil. She suggests taking 2 tablespoons of flaxseed oil each day, which helps with your eye problems. I went to Vitamin Shop and I got the flaxseed oil. I don't put it in the smoothie. I didn't today, and I don't think I'm going to. I just mixed it in with my oatmeal in the morning. It tastes like oil, but mixed in with my oatmeal, it was alright. And in addition to that, I found a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine on May 19th, 2011, and it was about how selenium is a trace mineral found naturally in Brazil nuts, organ meat, seafood, and wheat germ that can help treat thyroid eye disease. So there was 159 patients. They broke those patients up into 3 groups. All of those 159 patients had thyroid eye disease. And they broke them up into 3 groups. One group took twice daily 100 micrograms of selenium for a period of 6 months. Another group received a placebo pill for 6 months. And another group received this anti-inflammatory drug, and I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce the name, for a period of 6 months as well. And the study concluded that within the 6 months, 61% of those who was taking the selenium eyes got better, and it lasted for another 6 months after treatment. And the researchers who conducted the study suggest that people who have thyroid eye disease should take selenium each day to treat their thyroid eye disease. When I discussed my thyroid eye disease with my first endocrinologist, she never brought this up. She just wanted me to speak with a ophthalmologist as soon as possible, and even the other ophthalmologist that I saw, not the one who I'm seeing now, but I saw another one, never discussed with me about selenium, so I'm not sure if he knew about it or just didn't think that it was, sufficient evidence to even suggest. But selenium is a natural mineral, and you can purchase it on your own, and so I don't see really the negative implications of it. But, of course, too much of something is bad. But I'm taking the recommended dosage, which is 200 micrograms, just like in the study. And we'll see how that goes. I purchased it off of Amazon. This was $15, I think. And it's 180 capsules, which will last me for a while. So I think it's worth the money. So, like I said, I started today, this whole regimen. I'm going to do it every day, and I'm going to document my progress each week via pictures. I'm going to take a picture of myself in front, on the right side, and the left side, and I'm going to do that every Sunday. I'll create a video, a follow-up video, for you guys each month, just to let you, keep you guys in the loop and let you guys know the progress, if there is any. And yeah, so that's it. I did record this beforehand, but it was just too long, and I don't want to give you guys another 15-minute video. But yeah, that's it. I mean, I feel like at this point I should just take a little bit more of a proactive approach and be a little bit more positive in my journey with this thyroid eye disease. Of course, you know, there are some medical things when it comes to ailments, but, you know, it's also mental as well, and you just have to keep, you have to stay positive and think things into existence. So I am going to think that I am going to get better. I am going to will it into existence, and I think that you should as well. So that's it. Please feel free to keep the discussion going in the comments, ask any questions. I like to create a nice community of us, just to create a nice support group. It's something that I definitely think that we need. And I have a food blog coming out soon called Skinny Fat Bastard. It should be up in like the next 2 weeks. I'm still designing it. And I'll let you know when that's up, and that'll have some recipes on, some healthy recipes and also some not so healthy recipes, because although I'm moving into this healthy route, I still have my vices, which is sweets. And yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys next week.